Hello traders, welcome to KineFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinola King. So guys, let's create this strategy together. I have once dropped this strategy, but I can see the strategy as a very um accurate strategy, and it is still valid till now. So let's quickly add it to the chart. First of all, we need to add a moving average, and the moving average is going to work as a trend dictator for us. That is the indicator. The moving average is going to tell us the market position. So the moving average is going to be period 35 exponential shift to zero. So it's going to be period 35. So just leave the settings like this. Let's click on done. So you can see, so it tells us when the market is in uptrend and downtrend. So let's go back to the indicator window and let's ask relative strength index, which is RSI. This is it here. So you can leave the period. We don't actually need this particular indicator. All we need there is just the some parameters there. So the only thing you are going to change in this indicator is just to change the color in front of this style to the background color of your chart. If you are using white background like me, change it to white. If you are using dark background, just leave it at black. You understand? Click on done after you have done that. Then the last indicator is relative figure index, which is this. You can see it here. So it's just as relative strength index 2 they determine when the market is overbought and over. So you understand? So just add this third indicator, leave the settings like this, period 3. So then click on done after that. Now go back to your chart. You should be able to see this. So how does this strategies work? You go to 5 minute time frame to dictate what the market is doing. So then you come back to 1 minute time frame for entry. This strategy is very effective on both boom and crash market. So go to MT5. What are you looking for in MT5? You check when the market is in oversold. We are buying for crash, we are selling for boom. So when the market is oversold, yes, when the market is oversold already, we are going to buy. So you come to this indicator window. So you check where there is a cross in between the fast and the slow EMA, which is the green and the red, below 20. When you see the crossing below 20, you know that the market is going to actually buy. Then once you see that cross, you go to 1 minute time frame. Let's quickly check this. So the crossing happened below the level 20. So let's go to 1 minute time frame to check that cross. You understand? So once you see that cross there, we know we mark the cross here. You can see it here. So what are you looking for in 1 minute time frame? You look for when the market started buying and it broke the trend. You see a two close candle above this particular trend line, which is the moving average 35. Then you go for buy and count your 5 candle and close. You understand? Now this is invalid signal because it doesn't the trend the market doesn't break the trend, so we are not buying until we confirm two break. So let's go back and look for another example. So the M5, I think there's another cross in here. Let's see whether this gives us a signal on 1 minute time frame. You are less concerned about this moving average on 5 minute time frame. So let's go back to 1 minute time frame again and see if we got a signal. You can see here that the market, there's a close in two candle that close above the moving average. You understand? So once you enter for buy here, you understand, you count your 5 candle. You can see that there is a sign for spike here, but because the consolidation has been met, you understand, so and is already in a bullish mode, so the spike doesn't have enough strength to change the direction of the market, so it continues the journey of 5 candle complete in profit. You understand? So that is how these strategies work. Let's find a successful example on the 5 minute time frame. You can see, let's check here. I think there's a crossing. The cross has to be below. There's a crossing here. Okay, so now let's go to 1 minute time frame to check this. Okay, we got the signal, but we doesn't is an invalid because we did not see a too close candle above here. You understand? So which um said that the signal is invalid. You understand? Sometimes in a day, you may not get enough signal, but if you can be patient, trading is about patience. You understand? It's not about trading every time. Once you see a strategy that can give you a valid signal, you understand? So you don't have to be seeing it frequently. So far, you know that when the signal finally show, it's going to make you money. So you can use it for boom and boom 1000, boom 500. When you are trading boom market, you are going to sell, so you go to 5 minutes time frame, so you check the crossing. I think we are getting a signal, you understand, but the candle has not closed yet. So you can see there's a cross in here already. So you go just exactly like this, you go to 1 minute time frame, so you patiently wait till this market that is coming break this moving average, then you see two candle close below the moving average, then you enter for sell immediately. You count your five candle analysis, but the signal is not yet complete, so we can't use that. So let's see this whether we get a valid signal from here. So let's go to 1 minute, sorry, this is 1 minute time frame. So let's go back to 5 minute time frame and see if we can get a signal there. So I think we find one here. So let's go to 1 minute time frame and see that if that give us a valid signal. You can see perfect one, guys. So the price after seeing the crossing of 1 minute time frame, the price crosses here is when you see more than five candle. That is how it works. Go to your chart and back test, then demo trade before you go into live account. So I wish you happy